Welcome back to Chasing the Sun. Right here, we have our sticker collection. These are all the places that we've been to with our good friend Paul, our trailer. First place was Jellystone Park, then was Glacier National Park, Yellowstone Park, and I forgot the rest. We've also been to Santa Barbara, Hollywood, Los Angeles, Oregon Coast, Yosemite, Banff, Lake Louisa, Canada, Bonneville Salt Flats, Las Vegas, and Grand Canyon National Park. So, these are the places that we've been on, Paul, and I'm excited to go to more places.
Hi everyone, I'm Eric.
And I'm Janie. Welcome back to our channel Chasing the Sun, where we share with you our food and travel adventures. We are very excited to share with you in about 3 weeks we will be going on an epic cross-Canada trip in our travel trailer.
Come on in, I'll show you. Welcome to our travel trailer. As you can tell, it's kind of homey. It can fit 8 people comfortably, kind of ish maybe. This is the kitchen-ish area, and this is the living room, if you will. It's very kind of small. Now, this can actually fold into a bed. You can fold this down, and then you can pull this out, and it becomes a bed. You can fit 2 people on there, and then this is kind of the dining area-ish. This can also fold into a bed. You can take down the table, it goes down. Take those cushions, push it down, and these go in the center, and there you have a bed. You can fit 2 or maybe 3 people there. Then here we have the fridge. We have lots of storage. We have a little cabinet down there, cabinet over here, another cabinet down there, and 4 more cabinets over there. And another one, another one, and another one. A lot of storage. Next over here we have a few bunk beds. You can't really see them because of the curtain. But yeah, they're bunk beds. They're really nice. Me and my sister sleep there. That can fit 3 people. 2 people on bottom, 1 on top. Now this is the bathroom. It's a bit small, but yeah, it works. There's the sink, the shower, and the toilet. Next over here by the dining area-ish thing, we got this nice little board in Oregon, and we also have another little sign up here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says, "Happy Campers Live Here." It's cute, I like it. And also sometimes, or maybe once, I think, we took this down and we could watch a movie here with our projector. It was really nice and cute. So with this sink, it wasn't originally part of the trailer when we bought it. Actually, a lot of this trailer wasn't part of it because my dad put in this stainless steel back, he painted it, and we also put in this wood. I remember I was scraping out the wood glue. I just found it so entertaining for some reason. This is a new sink too. And now, moving on to the kind of master bedroom-ish area. This is it. It's a nice wood door. I'm not sure if you can see in there, but there it is. We don't have the full sheets yet, but yeah, we will. Now the good thing about this room is that it has a lot of storage. Over there, we have 2 reading lights over there, and you can also open up the window when you're feeling it's too dark in here. There's also a place up there for your clothes and stuff. And also another good thing about this bed is that it lifts up. So there's a bunch of storage right underneath this bed. That is an amazing fact, I think. So yeah, also a really good spot for hide and go seek, but you might not be able to get out. Okay. So yeah, that was the overall tour of our travel trailer.
So as we mentioned, we'll be doing a cross-Canada road trip coming up very soon. We plan to do a live stream so that you can follow us as we go across the Canadian cities and share our experience with you. We've made some YouTube friends so far, but we'd love to connect with more fellow Canadian vloggers. And we'd love for you to share with us your city, some secret spots, some inside tips, and most of all, we'd like to hear from you what it means to be living in Canada. If you're a Canadian vlogger, please reach out to us Leave us some comments down below and let's connect. Let's hook up for our big road trip.
If you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to smash that like button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when we start our cross-Canada trip.